pretend play. It's more than just an enjoyable pastime. It's a tool for growth, honing problem-solving skills, and fostering self-confidence. It's like a secret passage to enhance social interactions. And hey, it's not just for children. Adults can also leap into this world, relishing the joy of imagination and creativity. Ever pondered what it would be like to walk in the shoes of your favorite superhero or to explore uncharted territories without leaving your room? Welcome to Pretend Play, a fantastical world where imagination takes flight and every adventure is just a thought away. That, my friends, is the magic of Pretend Play. Imagine a world where a simple cardboard box can transform into a mighty castle or a space shuttle. That's the power of imagination at play, turning the ordinary into extraordinary and breathing life into the mundane. It's about seeing beyond what's in front of you and creating a world of adventure and excitement. Pretend Play is a canvas of creativity, where a spoon can be a magic wand, a blanket, a superhero cape. In this world, creativity knows no bounds. Who said Pretend Play is just for fun? It's a superpower that boosts your thinking and confidence. Now, let's delve deeper into the magic of Pretend Play. It's more than just an enjoyable pastime. It's a tool for growth, honing problem-solving skills, and fostering self-confidence. It's like a secret passage to enhance social interactions. And hey, it's not just for children. Adults can also leap into this world, relishing the joy of imagination and creativity. Pretend Play is not just play, it's a journey of self-discovery and growth. Pretend Play is a joy that's best shared. Now imagine diving into a world of pirates and princesses, superheroes and spacemen, not alone, but with your best friends, siblings, or even your parents. Pretend Play is not only an incredible journey of imagination, but it also fosters teamwork, cooperation, and deepens bonds. It's a beautiful way to create shared adventures and weave unforgettable stories together, shaping cherished memories that will last a lifetime. Pretend Play is a door to shared adventures and cherished memories. Are you ready to embark on an adventure of a lifetime? Pretend Play is your golden ticket, inviting you to create, to explore, and to imagine. It's a joyous journey, bursting with benefits. Dive into the magic of Pretend Play and let your imagination soar. The world of Pretend Play awaits you. Dive into an adventure where every moment is a magical journey. If you found these tips helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, and share this video with other parents who might benefit from it. Until next time, keep exploring the magic of Pretend Play.